Introducing Devin AI, the ultimate tool for software development. Devin AI can write complete code, debug existing code, plan and execute complex projects, build and deploy applications, and continuously improve. Key features include data extraction from documents, images, and PDFs, natural language processing for text analysis, image recognition for visual data, and automation of repetitive tasks. Devin AI seamlessly integrates with existing systems. Nubank used Devin AI to refactor millions of lines of code, achieving 12x efficiency and 20x cost savings. Pricing starts at $500 per month for the team plan, with custom pricing for enterprise. For more insights into AI and to stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Seraph, where we explore the future of technology. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.